but you can see we had some rust back here. Hi, and welcome back. Getting here this evening. It's warmer tonight than it will be in the morning, and it's about 20 degrees out here right now, and the morning's supposed to be about 10, so I thought I'd come out here and get a little bit done while it's a little warmer. But with that being said, I'll stay out here as long as I can until I can't take it anymore. But really happy with how that pan turned out. Well, give you a quick view of what it looks like now. I really like it. I think tonight we're going to do more cleanup on the transmission tunnel and get some of that drippage, whatever stuff that is. Try to knock that off and kind of smooth and clean off that whole area underneath where the steering column is, down the transmission tunnel, and that back portion where the fuel selector little tab was. You can select the rear tank or the main tank. Clean that area off and get all that ready for paint, because surprisingly enough, this Saturday is going to be 60 degrees, so be warm enough to paint then. But like tonight, it is cold out here, and with the cat's light, they're all huddled up. But let's go over there and I'll show you what we're going to do. I got them all in here. They're sitting in front of this thing, which puts off pretty good heat. And Boyd, you can see he's gotten into some cat fights recently. Poor little face. Fat boy here is really warm, and Chester's pretty warm. But yeah, Boyd usually gets in a fight at least once a week, it seems like. Poor guy. But they'll be in here tonight. So I got this on, and that one over there is kind of putting some heat this way. Let's head over the Bronco and we'll get to work. All right, here's what the pan looks like. Surprised I don't see cat prints everywhere. It does look like I got some ruins right there, but I think it turned out fairly decent. Even back through here, you can tell that there's been work done. But the only thing that bothers me on this is you line it up just right. Kind of see it kind of goes back at an angle. But I don't think it'll bother me that much that I'm going to do anything about it. But I may come back and take this down just a little bit more and repaint. But I think it turned out okay. I really need to weld that up. A lot of stuff down here too. I didn't really fill in before I painted, so we might do that one day too. But today, I'm gonna concentrate back here, getting this, whatever this stuff is, off. Kind of cleaning this up as far as I can. And then getting the transmission tunnel, cleaning it off. See if there's any like rust showing through. Then we'll grind that back. Do that for this here too, and try to get as much of this go through primer off, and get ready for paint. But if there's no like rust spots, I'm just gonna kind of leave it and paint over it. But I might use some super clean and clean everything off first, and then get to grinding what we need to grind down. Figure it'd be a lot of grinding through here for this stuff. But let's get to work, because I'm already getting pretty cold. Well, batteries are dying pretty quick. I gotta plug that one back in. Just had enough to finish this out. See, I kind of went overboard. Didn't plan on doing this, but just thought it'd look better, so went ahead and took the paint. Down here was already ground, so I may go over it lightly with this kind of finer grit sanding disc just along the edge here, and maybe, I'm not sure up there. Anyways, need to paint this and that. Need to get this a little bit better next time. Probably maybe get another one of those discs. I may do that on my own time because I don't really know how to film up in here too well. But you can see we had some rust back here. I still need to get in here with a wire wheel and knock this through here, make sure there's no holes. But we got most of this taken down to bare metal. It was mainly surface rust, but just want to make sure there's no holes. I think I'm going to try to get up in here too. Just get this all painted while the kick panel's out, and I can have access from this way in. And we got rid of the whatever that drip stuff was. I think it'll be all right. And we still need to finish this, ground this back down best we can, and put some paint on it. So hopefully this weekend it'll be warm enough we can get out here, spend a little bit more time cleaning through here, up in there, and this off. And I might have to go buy another can of paint and get all this painted, and then we'll be ready to we'll need to clean this off. Well, it still looks okay underneath here, so we'll just have to fit the kick panel back up. It's pretty loose, and then we'll start fitting the door pillar, get the outer rocker screwed to that. I think that's what these holes right here are for. And get that on there, and hopefully start fitting the door. But next time I'm for sure gonna paint it, so we'll finish this out, the transmission tunnel, and we'll paint everything under here. We need to do that to that side too, but I didn't get to it, so I'll leave that for another day. But yeah, sorry, just more cleaning. Trying to get it ready so we don't have to, hopefully we just put lizard skin or something over it and call it good. Thank you for watching. That's all I got for you tonight. See you next time.